What's up, Beast Bros? I'm here with Stephen Koljeski. He's the owner of the graphic company in Plano, Texas. And today he's being kind enough to wrap the tailgate of my truck in beast mode. So you're gonna have to stick around to the end to see the finished product. But right now, let's watch him work his magic. What's up? Look what the cat dragged in.
Gotta get a rat. Gotta come back. Gotta get a rat. Gotta come back. Gotta get a rat.
It's not beast mode without a little fire.
That's right.
All right, well, hey guys, thanks for watching. And a extra special thanks to Steven and the graphic company for hooking us up with this awesome wrap job. Check it out. Yeah, if you ever need any type of wraps or signage or posters or banners or anything, be sure to check out the graphic company in Plano, Texas. They're the one-stop shop for all your graphic needs. If you like this type of content, be sure and give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now and hit the bell while you're at it. You'll never miss another video. And until next time, see you next week.
Thanks, guys.
Kingdoms arise and fall.